Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 30. So this is the continuation of question number 16. Let me give you guys some time to pause the video and read the questions. I think you guys have read the question, so let me start by answering the first question. So find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade. So to do that, okay. So let me just read this. And this is from my previous video, so let me open up a new video. And you have to find the number of letters in the full name of all students. So the function that we are going to use to find this is length function. So length function specifies the character length of preferred string. So this is the string, and yeah, and you can use it like that. So first of all, let me select the run a select all from student table. And so the full name. So full name consists of first name and last name of name of student. So you need to first of all write the length function to each individual column, and then add up each one of numbers, each value. So first name and last name. Okay, so if we run this, you get all the number of characters in of the first name and the last name. So you get the sum of the number of characters of first name and last name of each student. So this is the answer for the first question. So let me put a semicolon here, and then click on new query. I'm gonna answer the second question this time. So you need to find the number of letters in this word string. To be more specific, this string. So select. I'm going to use the same function length. Now we are inputting a string, so I'm going to put this in semicolon. Not semicolon. I'm going to put this in single quotes. So, and let me run this, and you get the length of this string. So as like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna rename this column as this to make it more appealing or make sense of what I'm trying to get here. So that answers the second question. The third question suggests that you need to find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11. So let me open up another query. So you need to first run a select all. You need to first run a search query to get the full name of all students in grade 11. So you need to inner join class. So inner join class and a couple of other tables. So the primary key of class is class ID. So that's that. And the foreign key of the class table located inside the student table is class underscore class ID. So let me run this to make sure there aren't any errors. There are no errors. So and yeah, so of grade 11, right? So you can do specify the condition as this. So class name must be like 11, right? It is single quotes. and I will put a wildcard here, and you get all the 11 classes. This is not really necessary, since we only have like the grade 11 student classes, only the grade 11 classes, so this is not necessary, but I have written this. So find the number of letters, the full name. Okay, so sorry, this should be 11 name, right? Yeah, I mistook the question for the first question, so my bad. So length must be first name, then we have to add last name. Last name of students who are in grade 11. So yeah, you get this result. So that answers the third question. The fourth question suggests that you need to prepare the first name of grade 11B students in capital letters, or capital letters. So let me open up another query here. Query window. Sorry. Select. Okay. You can use the same here. Same join here. Since we will be needing the student and the class tables. So first name of student. Okay, let me delete this and select all. Try to select all instead, and then specify the condition to such that the only the grade 11 students, 11B students remain. So class dot class name must be 11B, and yeah, you get only the students of 11B in here. And yeah, you need to prepare this. It's simple letters only. So as you can see, there are both capital and simple letters. You need to make this all simple. To do that, you need to use the lower function MySQL in MySQL. So this is similar to the length function. So you need to specify the string which you are converting to. So let me run here, and you get the all okay. Oh sorry, this should be capital, right? So it should be UKS, and that answers the fourth question, capital letters. So UKS is the opposite. It does the opposite of the lower function. UKS turns all the letters in the string to capital letters. So my bad, this should be the fourth question answer should be this. And yeah, let me answer the fifth question. So the fifth question suggests that we have to we have to prepare the names of subjects in simple terms. So let me try to select all from subject. Select all from subject. Okay. Select all from subject. You get the subject name, and you have to use the allow function here. Allow subject name. Okay. Let me remove the gradient and write this, and select one, and you get all the subject names in lower cases, in simple letters. So that answers the fifth question. So the sixth question suggests that You need to find the average mark obtained by Amanda Moses, student in class 11A in in all terms in subject science. Okay, so let me open up another query into here. Select all from student. So now join class. Since we have to um, search search based on the class, so class ID, class tables, foreign keys, yeah, foreign key of the class table located within the student table is class underscore class ID. Let me run this to make sure there are no any errors. So inner join, you need to inner join subject, right? Okay, before inner joining subject you need to inner join student exam mark record. So student exam mark records primary key is student index number. So this relates its student exam mark tables index number, and let me run this. Okay, that's all fine. And then you need to inner join subject. So subject. Okay, I totally forgot about the radius. And so subject on subject dot subject ID, which is the primary key of the subject table, and then subject foreign key of the subject table located within the student exam mark record is subject underscore subject ID. Let me run this, and yeah, it works perfectly. And then okay, so class name is 11A in all terms, so you need to not you need you don't need to join term table, exam term table. So let's just specify the conditions and hopefully it works. So yeah, subject dot subject name equals to science. Let me copy this, science, and first name, student first name is Amanda Moses. No, first name is only Amanda. So let me copy this, and student's last name is Moses. And this student should study in class 11. So class name should be 11, and the subject should be science. So I have specified all the conditions successfully, I think. And yeah, you need to find the average mark. So let me run this. So there are like two records. So one is first term, I think, and the other one is second term. So we have to find the average of each one of these. So average mark is this. No need to round off any of this. So yeah, so that answers the sixth question. So that wraps up the video, I think. So this is the answer to the first question. This is the answer to the second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, and sixth question. And yeah, and thanks for watching, guys. So hope to see you again next time. Peace.